Hi everyone. Just thought that before the year ends, I'll leave you with one song. This is just the intro of a song that I really like a lot, and we really used to play this in school and in college a lot, and I'm sure quite a few of you will connect to it. So here it goes.
Soon you question